lokuqala bazalwane bami ningabi abafundisi abaningi.
Amos Shembe, Isaiah's second son, used to be a schoolmaster.
Uma kukhona umuntu ongoniyo.
His father's prophetic mantle descended first to his elder brother, who died in 1976, and seems now to be hovering.
Amandla okugcina umzimba wonke. Kule ndlela ehambayo ubuyele ngeqiniso kuShembe. Siphethe isinyathelo engizothi esisha lesi.
Many of these Nazarites wore little icons of Isaiah and talked of him as their saviour. I thought of Rector Makatini saying that Christ for black Africa must be seen as black. But I don't believe he was thinking of Isaiah Shembe, nor did Shembe himself ever claim divine status. But what Shembe represents, and this is why we end with him, is the crying need for a nation, any nation, to see God in terms of its own flesh and blood, its own traditions, and its own ancestral wisdom. It's quite instructive to make a list of some of the things on which many African Christians and African non-Christians seem to agree. Here are just 3 suggestions. First, the importance of dreams and visions, which appear to guide and instruct Christian and non-Christian alike. Next, the importance of healing, whether the ministration is in church or with a traditional healer in a hut. Last, the importance of power. Both the old religion and, more recently, Christianity are spoken of as carriers of power. And if you own up to a feeling that the Christianity you're meeting in